Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Thursday and it's 4:55 in the afternoon. So today, I decided to make a vlog because naka-receive ako ng package earlier and yeah, I decided mag-unboxing tayo today. So my husband told me na meron daw akong package na dadating and hindi ko alam kung ano ang laman. So let's do unboxing. Sabi niya, early birthday present daw niya sa akin. So, tignan natin kung ano laman. So, before that, every time na may dumadating kaming package, I see to it that meron akong alcohol. I-spray namin yung mga boxes. Or after namin ma-open, nag-alcohol kami. Just to make it sure. So, yeah, we will do unboxing. So, tingnan natin kung anong laman. So, invoice. Let's open. So, mag-start tayo. So, he got me this. Ano ito? Here. Oh. A tripod. One. Then next. A GoPro. He bought me a GoPro. Pang-vlogging ko. So, this is what I got. A GoPro 9 or GoPro Hero 9. Dual screen. And then cord for the charger. And then this one. Pwede siya ilagay sa kotse. Gusto mo mag-vlog sa kotse. And then battery. this one. Para sa tripod, I guess. Yeah. Some manuals. And the SD card. So I have SD card. So that's my GoPro. And then last. This one here. So it's a GoPro 3-way grip arm and grip arm tripod. Yeah. It's a tripod. Oops. Oh well. It's hard. I have a tripod now. Nice. That's nice. I like it. So this is my early birthday present from my husband. Actually, di ko alam na in-order yan. Binilan niya ako nito. Supportive. Supportive sa aking vlogging. So this, thank you, honey. I have this. Oops. I have this now. So that's my unboxing. So this is it, guys. My GoPro Hero 9. So thank you, honey, for my early birthday present, and I love it. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it for today. That's our unboxing. And tomorrow may pupuntahan tayo. Sasama ko kayo and gagamitan na natin siya. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. And thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching on my videos. And hopefully marami pang videos tayo magawa using this. And yeah, thank you, and please watch my previous vlog. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. So and see you on my next vlog. Bye.